When I was a child, I would watch a Royal Enfield Bullet ride past the road, and something inside me would wake up. I would ride my bicycle, imagining it was a bullet, riding across endless roads. But life had its own plans. Responsibilities came first. Work, family, survival. The dream didn't disappear. It simply waited. Days passed. Years passed. Sometimes, I would see my motorcycle standing silently, covered with dust. And I would wonder, when will I ride again? But dreams have a strange way of returning. One morning, my wife reminded me of that dream, with a simple cup of tea and a small key in her hand. In that moment, I realized something important. Sometimes we sacrifice our dreams to carry our responsibilities. But when the moment arrives, someone stands beside us and gives us the courage to live those dreams again. That moment is where the journey truly begins. The roads we travel, the struggles we face, the lessons we learn along the way. That is why today, this journey evolves beyond the thump. Because the thump was only the beginning. The real journey is life itself.